The red sky, the orange sky, it's good, so good. You can actually feel the cool breeze. So good. So the city, Pushkar. See those cactus? Oh yeah, it lots of water. Just gonna make some slow-mo video. Sorry. Let's go down with that. Aiming to go on that rock just to witness perfect sunrise. चल देवांशु. क्या हो गया? जल्दी चले, फोन रख दे 2 मिनट अब. बस 6-7 मिनट में sun is gonna so just don't waste the time. See, we can do it this way, we can do it this way. Let's do it this way. Just be careful, huh? So apparently there's a cave. We had a small doubt that there is panther or something in those caves. Thorns everywhere. Just be careful with the shoes. That's a resort. मेरे को भी देख के केयरफुल ना देवांशु. आऊँ हाथ दूँ. देख के ना थॉर्न्स देख लियो. चलो I'm gonna go this way then. Okay. See, काफी steep है ना देवांशु. Beautiful sky. देवांशु फोन रख दे. देख यहाँ कोई तो आया है. Nice. Come. Let's not stop. Be careful while you come, ना. देवांशु फोन रख दे. अब बोल रहा हूँ मैं. फोटो बाद में ले लियो एक बार. ऊपर से शांति से आराम से चल. पहले फोन रख के. Okay, now a few final steps to the point where I wanted to get today. You can see the sky, See the colors, it's just so beautiful. Yeah, we are finally there. Whew. Finally. I'm just gonna pass, click some beautiful photos. कल हम लोग वहाँ तक गए थे ऊपर, चले गए उधर. Nice. Let's make some.